In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets without a Gmail account. It's a straightforward process that ensures you can leverage the powerful features of Google Sheets while using an email address of your choice. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to visit the Google account sign up page. This is where we'll start the process of creating a Google account with your own email. Now, once you're on the page, you'll see a form in front of you that requires some basic information. Go ahead and fill in your first and last name in the provided fields. This helps to personalize your account right from the get-go. Now, an important step here is to bypass the automatic Gmail creation. To do this, look for the option that says use my current email address instead. Clicking on this link allows you to input an existing non-Gmail email address. This could be a work email or just an account that you prefer for managing various services. Next, you'll need to input your chosen email address into the designated field. Make sure there are no typos, as accuracy will be crucial for the next steps. Google is going to send a verification code to that email address, so keep an eye on your inbox for an email from Google. Once you receive it, log into your email account and locate the email with the verification code. Copy this code carefully without trailing spaces, and then paste it into the verification field back on the Google sign up page. After verifying your email address, it's time to agree to Google's terms of service. Take a moment to understand the terms if you haven't already, then click I agree. This confirms that you're good to go with your new Google account setup. When you've successfully completed the account creation process, you're all set to access Google Sheets. Simply use your non-Gmail email and the password you set up to log in. It's as easy as that. You can now create, manage, and share your spreadsheets just like any other Google Sheet user without needing a Gmail account. Now that you have a Google account with your preferred email, head over to Google Sheets. You can start a new sheet, upload an existing Excel file to convert, or even access shared documents. The functionality remains the same, providing you an exceptional tool for collaboration and productivity. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you now have the freedom to use Google Sheets without being tied to a Gmail account. It's a win-win scenario that marries flexibility and functionality seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and let's get started with making some amazing spreadsheets.